Sorkar TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabal ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines but kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges but ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Dagbabu hakmat eka thong man kintiu shu eki kam jingo kai perthei haka jila Meghalaya ka Sorkar jilla Karai bante ki 5-star luxury resort ha East Khasi Hills but ha West Garo Hills but eki jaka da dab itho bante ki yeng basa remdor ha sora but ha umyam ha pintip ya kani ha khandai jek unai tung arachar arpusan uminti ka tna jingo kai perthei ka Sorkar jilla ba polling do Uloong biya gani karai la shim haga jingalang blapinya do menteri rangba ka jellau konrad ke sangma haga pratrik unai tung arachar arpusan ya ka balai krenru ikiwe ki project kinthop ika jinshnai ka 5-star luxury resort hasora baga glamping site hasora barha umyam.
So I'm glad to inform you that we are making significant strides and we are entering into a PPP mode in several new initiatives. One such initiative which has reached a very advanced stage is the construction of a 5-star luxury resort at Tura and this work is being we are completing the financial bids on the 11th of this month, and we are also starting something unique and new to Meghalaya, which is glamping sites, where we have identified plots at Tura and at Umyam, and we will be able to see that these glamping sites are also taken up within this current financial year. At Umyam, as I had briefed you earlier, with the Department of Forests and Environment handing over and transferring close to 300 acres of land, we will now be able to expand the flagship program for a 5-star resort at Umyam, which will be of a global scale and pride for Meghalaya's tourism. We are integrating the 36.78 acre island, which is part of the lake, the Umyam Lake, and was earlier being run by one private entrepreneur. Now this has also been settled, so we will now have 35 acres of mainland plus 36.78 acres of island to be part of the integrated flagship 5-star resort. We will initiate the tendering process at the earliest. In the Garo Hills sector, the town of Tura has one hotel by the name of Polo Orchid, and we are going to redevelop the project and scale up the project, whereby we are projecting that there will be an increase in footfalls with over 100 rooms as part of the newly rejuvenated Hotel Polo Orchid at Tura. These initiatives, which are supported by capital subsidies and tax incentives under the MII NEP and the Northeast Industrial Policy will certainly help attaining the stage of a premier destination for luxury and ecotourism. And it also is in sync with what we are promoting right now, which is high value, low volume tourism. So this is briefly what I have to share with you. We have also taken this up at yesterday's meeting. We've decided to strengthen the links between the state capital, Shillong, and Tura. And we expect that by the end of 2026, the work for the expansion of the Shillong airport will be completed. And we will then relaunch the Shillong-Tura copter service on a daily basis. Sora, this is close to what we now have, the Jiva resort. Next to that, we have roughly about 25 acres of land belonging to the Department of Tourism, out of which 5 acres has been allocated for the construction of this luxury resort. Bidders in Sora, we have Hills and Canyon Hotels, which is a high-end of the brand of the Holiday Express by IHG. So it's a high-end brand.
So what is the cost factor?
I do not have the figures right away, but I can share that with you.
So 5 acres near
Jiva's resort, which is also an MTDC property. We will try to get the airport completed, and also we will look at the immediate connection between Guwahati, Tura, and Shillong. I do not. I can only say this, that this matter is with the Transport Department. However, at yesterday's meeting, we had expressed our keen interest to redevelop the airport and to ensure that it serves the purpose for which it was originally created. So this is why I can assure you that we are looking at the end of 2026, when the expansion of the Shillong airport will be completed, that we will have daily flights from Shillong to Tura and then Tura to Guwahati. I can share those details with you, but what we are proposing is a 5-star property with 100 rooms, where the current structure of the Orchid resort will be demolished and a brand new structure will replace it.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.